What's up, y'all? Well, today is the 4th of July. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be making a blueberry barbecue sauce. I was recently challenged by Kirby Fish and Grill. I had a rib candy challenge. Well, this isn't actually the video. I'm doing that this Saturday. This is just celebrating with some family. I throw on a couple slabs of ribs, and I'm going to mix barbecue sauce and beans. But I'm not going to take you guys through all that. And I already made a apple pie. I'm going to be using this today to the Camp Chef FTG600. I'm going to be making the barbecue sauce outside. To all my fellow Americans, happy 4th of July. God bless America. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to say what goes in everything. I'm just going to put the ingredients down below in the description. I'll just tell you everything that's going to be going into it. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright y'all, so I tell you what, stay tuned till the end, and I took a bunch of pictures, and I'm gonna do a picture montage at the end so y'all can see what I'm doing today. Alright. Add each ingredient at a time and stir in. This is the key to having a great barbecue sauce. Just don't dump everything in all at one time. I'm using blueberry jam. Normally, if you want to use blueberries, you can go ahead and use blueberries and then add brown sugar to it. But since blueberry jam has so much sugar in it, the only thing that you're going to want to add is some molasses, because molasses is what makes up, of course, brown sugar. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of some molasses to this as well after this is all well and stirred in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit more to try to get this thing to start bubbling. I might put it a little bit too low, so I'm going to put it, just creep up just a little bit more. So basically all I'm doing now is just letting it cook, just sitting there. And there's one more ingredient I'm going to add at the end. It's kind of a secret ingredient that I'm going to add at the end. But right now it's just bubbling, and I'm letting that whiskey and the vinegar, I'm letting that stuff render out, and I'm letting it come down, let it reduce a lot. So this is what it looks like right now. There you go. That's what it looks like right now. It's gonna wait for this to thicken up, let it reduce down, and it's gonna be good. Then I'm gonna add the... Okay, so here comes the secret ingredient. BAM! Only a teaspoon. All right, so it's done. This blueberry barbecue sauce is going to take right about an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. By the way, when I do tests, I usually have like multiple spoons and forks, so I just have a clean spoon going in every time. It's a nice thickness now. See how it just rolls off? See how it kind of sticks to the spoon there? All right, let's just give this a try. Yeah, you can definitely taste the blueberries. Man, that's good. Shut this off. That is done. I went ahead and I sterilized 2 mason jars. I'm gonna pour it into the mason jars, and I'm gonna be using it probably later on today. Or I just might wait till this weekend when I do my rib candy video. Anyhow, like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. You know, all the other stuff everybody else tells you to do. Just, you know, I got a lot more of this stuff planned. So come on, join the team. I'll see y'all next video.